Hello everyone, this is Praveen Kumar. In this video, I will demonstrate about a defibrillator device which is used in biomedical field. First of all, to get idea about this defibrillator, I will show you small pictures. This is one type of defibrillator. It is called AED, Automated External Defibrillator. Okay, right. What is defibrillator? Why it is used? I will explain right now. When the person is arrested by a heart, when the person heartbeat is not in normal rhythm, either it arrested by cardiac or arrhythmia. It means when the heartbeat is very fast or else heartbeat is very slow, then the person will be life threatening. So to overcome, to prevent that in abnormal heartbeat, we'll use this defibrillators. By this defibrillator will deliver a short duration of high electric shock pulse. It will give a electric shock to heart. In this way, it will give electric shock to heart by recovering the heart and work in a normal rhythm to prevent a person from life threatening. Save the human life from life threatening of improper working of heartbeat. Okay. Here two electrodes are placed in, one is on the left side of chest and another is right side of the which is shown in picture, how it is placed in the chest and the side of the body as shown in figure. Here the defibrillator device first sense the response of the heartbeat, whether the heart is in not working, whether the heart is in fast heart beating or slow heart beating. According to that, the electric pulse will be given to the heart to rescue the person from inoperating of heartbeat. Okay, right. In defibrillators, there are three types of defibrillators. One is AED, which is right now showing in picture. This is the AED, Automated External Defibrillator. That AED is represent like this. While operating this AED, the doctors has to place this, not only doctors, the known persons also place the pads of this AED. One is on the left side of the chest and one is the side of the body of the right side, shown in picture, to rescue the person. Second one is pacemaker. Actually, this pacemaker comes with two electrodes which is inserted in right atrium and another one is in right ventricular, and the synovial atrium is placed in right atrium to sense the heartbeat response, whether it is in arrest by cardiac or arrhythmia, whether it is fast heart beating or slow heart beating. According to that, the atrium ventricular node, electrode, which is placed in the right ventricular, will give a electric shock to rescue the person from improper working of heartbeat and save the human life. This is the second type of pacemaker, which is implantable cardiovascular defibrillator. It is called ICD because it is implanted cardiovascular defibrillator. And this is the last one, third one, which is used for variable, one of the type of defibrillators, variable cardiovascular defibrillator. It is not implantable, it is a variable defibrillator. Okay, here three garments are as you show in picture, and next we have an electrode belt, and which is for detecting the heartbeat rate, and another one is to send a electric shock pulse to rescue that person. This is a variable type defibrillator. After wearing this variable cardiovascular defibrillator, it is look like this. Okay, the person can wear this one and he can move anywhere. Okay, but it should be handled carefully. Okay, these are the three types of defibrillators is used to save the person from life threatening of operating rhythm of heartbeat. Okay, to send a respective electric shock pulses to heart and save the person from threatening of this heart is arrested by cardiac or arrhythmia conditions. Okay, the main thing of this all the defibrillators is, according to heartbeat conditions, it will send electric shock pulse to rescue the person from life threatening. Okay, now I will show in practical circuit. I mean a basic prototype circuit I designed of a basic defibrillator device which I prepared. I will show you right now in practical. This is the practical circuit of defibrillator device which I prepared to generate a short duration of high electric shock. Okay, by pressing the signal, in defibrillator one button will be there to give a electric shock, that is the respective button. So when I give a trigger pulse from this button, it will generate a high electric shock to respective duration. You just observe this one. I am going to press. Okay, I give a input trigger. The short duration of high electric shock pulse will remains up to decided duration. Here the high electric shock will remain up to 6 seconds. Okay, here the duration of that pulse will be variable according to value of this resistor which I prepared. Once again, we'll observe the response of defibrillator device. The signal will be remain up to 6 seconds. Okay, this is the defibrillator device circuit, and here which I shown right now, this is the monostable. This is the monostable circuit. About monostable circuit I explained in my previous video. You can go and know about this monostable multivibrator. And this is the relay driver circuit to give a high electric shock. To deliver a high electric shock driver. This is the relay driver circuit, and this is the optocoupler circuit. It will give the isolation between input circuit and whereas output circuit. Okay, right. Okay, this is the main use of this defibrillator device which I shown right now. Okay, and okay, if I give electric trigger pulse, it will give the 6 seconds of electric shock to heart, and by this we can rescue the person. I'm saying the 6 seconds, but not in practically. According to heartbeat rate, the duration, shock duration will be changed. Okay, right. And here I prepared a circuit of this defibrillator device. Okay, and this is the monostable circuit which I explained previously in video. You can get from that video get idea about this monostable by seeing this my previous video, right? And this is the relay driver circuit to generate a high electric shock pulse, and this is the opto isolator circuit which will create isolation between input and output for a safe side for security purpose. Okay, this is the pulse. Actually here I designed duration of pulse is 6.54 seconds, and amplitude is shock pulse is 230 volts AC. Actually we are giving DC pulse. A high rated electric shock is with DC. For demonstrating I am using a 230 volts AC. Okay, right. This is the defibrillator device, friends, which I designed. Okay, I hope you like it. Okay, thank you for watching my video.